Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling custom keyboard shortcuts in Gmail on your PC. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Sign into your account if prompted. Step 2. On the top, click Settings. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Click See All Settings. In the drop-down menu, select the See All Settings option. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. On the top, open Advanced. Scroll down until you find the Advanced section at the top of the settings page. Click on it to open the advanced settings. Step 5. Next to Custom Keyboard Shortcuts, click Disable. Locate the Custom Keyboard Shortcuts option and click on the toggle switch next to it to disable the Custom Keyboard Shortcuts feature. That's it. You've successfully disabled custom keyboard shortcuts in Gmail on your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.